you have identified the decision requirement, it's time to gather and analyze relevant information. This information will help you understand the situation better and evaluate your options effectively. Types of information. The kind of information you need will depend on the decision at hand, but consider these common categories. Facts and data. Seek out quantitative data like statistics, market research, sales figures, or historical performance reports. Expert opinions. Consult subject matter experts in the relevant field. Try to get insights from mentors, colleagues, or industry analysts. Stakeholder input. Talk to those affected by the decisions, understand their needs, concerns, and their perspectives. Qualitative considerations. Don't overlook factors like company values, ethical implications, or potential impacts on your long-term reputation. Sources of information. Think broadly about where to find reliable information. Internal records, sales reports, customer feedback logs, employee surveys, etc. Online research, reputable websites, industry publications, and academic researchers. Books and journals like libraries, online databases, and professional organizations. Interview and surveys. Gather insights directly from individuals or groups. Observations. Sometimes direct observation of workflows or processes reveals valuable information. Analyzing information. Gathering information is just the start. Next, you need to critically analyze it. Let's have a look. How can you do that? Validate sources. Is the information credible? What are the potential biases of the sources? Identify patterns and trends. Are there recurring themes or data points that stand out? Consider connections. How does different information relate to each other? Are there any contradictions to address? Separate facts from opinions. Distinguish between objective data and subjective interpretations. Avoiding information overload. With so much information available, it's easy to get overwhelmed. To stay focused, be selective. Prioritize the most relevant information directly related to your decision requirements. Set time limits. Dedicate a specific block of time for research, then move on to analysis. Summarize and synthesize. Condense key findings into format you can easily review. Wrapping up, thorough information gathering and analysis give you a solid foundation for making well-informed decisions. Remember, the quality of your decision is often directly linked to the quality of information you utilize. For next time, identifying alternatives. Now that you understand how to gather and analyze information, our next lesson will focus on gathering a range of creative solutions to your decision requirement. Until then, good luck and thank you.